Hi, welcome back. Let's learn how to easily allow or disallow Siri extensions in macOS 27 Golden Gate on your Mac. Siri extensions in macOS 27 Golden Gate let Siri work with supported AI-powered services and apps to handle more advanced requests beyond its built-in capabilities. Depending on your preferences, you can enable these extensions to access additional features like enhanced writing assistance, document summaries, and intelligent responses, or disable them if you prefer to keep Siri limited to Apple's native functionality. That's it. Let's get started. So first you have to launch the System Settings app on your Mac. After that, you have to choose the Screen Time option in the left sidebar. Then you have to select Content and Privacy option. After that, choose Siri. Then you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and then disable the toggle located right next to extensions. And finally, make sure to click on the Done button to confirm the action. And that's about it. So that's all you need to allow or disallow Siri extensions on your macOS device. If you frequently rely on AI-powered assistants, keeping the extensions enabled can make Siri significantly more capable and versatile. On the other hand, disabling them gives you greater control over your data setting preferences and ensures Siri only uses its built-in features. You can revisit these settings anytime to change your preference as your workflow or privacy needs evolve. And that's pretty much it. Now that you have unlocked this pretty handy feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives. And I'll catch you up in the next one.